How to set live wallpapers on Samsung device. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, you're going to have to head over to your wallpaper settings. You can do that by either opening up your settings on your phone, and then you just have to scroll down until you find wallpaper and style. Or what you could do is simply long press on your home screen or just pinch out. Now you can find wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. And once you get here, select your home screen or lock screen where you want to change your wallpaper. And then from here, what you want to do is tap on the wallpaper option at the top left. Now you'll be taken to the wallpaper page. So all you have to do is find a moving wallpaper right here. Now what you want to do is head over to these wallpapers and see if there are any live wallpapers that you can set. If not, you can head over to the Galaxy themes and then click on Get More Wallpapers. Now your Galaxy themes will open up, and here you're just going to have to search for live wallpapers that are free. So go ahead and update the app if you haven't, and then open it up. Now once you open up your Galaxy themes, simply go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top and then search for live wallpapers. Hit enter. And once you have done that, as you can see, most of these are paid, but you can find some good free versions as well. So if I tap on this right here, as you can see, it includes the lock screen video as well. So you could just click on the download option. And once you have done that, should be able to get the live wallpaper on your screen. Now you can tap on apply, or you could find other wallpapers if you like as well. As you can see, this should look something like this. I'm just going to download it first. And once it's downloaded, you can simply go ahead and apply. And now you can apply this to your home screen or lock screen. Don't forget to tap on the done at the top right, and you should be good to go. And this is how you can set live wallpapers on your Samsung device. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.